Do you remember middle school biology lessons? A monk called Gregor Mendel discovered the laws of inheritance while mating pea plants. Complex species always carry two copies of a gene. Dominant traits get expressed, while recessive traits get hidden. But why two copies? It's because this redundancy is what keeps populations robust. It ensures that harmful mutations don't propagate and useful diversity survives even when it isn't currently winning. Crypto markets are highly volatile and irregular. Such charts are called non-stationary functions. ML on its own doesn't do well here. So, what's been missing? Genetic algorithms. Traditionally, the most well explored is using a single alpha signal that's mutated. But it turns out that having two copies of alpha parameters is the best for rapidly changing DeFi optima. Plus, this design makes strategies highly composable for AI. I've implemented this algorithm in the form of a no-code AI quant-bot builder. So connect your wallet, enter trading universe parameters. I'm doing ETH USDC on Uniswap. I'm picking 2 into 2 as a grid, but you can even do 5 into 5. Momentum chases price, mean reversion goes against the price. So the dominant strategy is preferred over the recessive if they appear together in the next generation. I'm doing this with alpha signals, but it could be extended to a range of things like novel backtesting, params, proprietary AI execution, etc. Okay, so I'm going to mint these contracts Mendel agent, Mendel breeder, and the first generation. Okay, done minting our founder INFTs. The strategy is encrypted and stored on 0G. So now we crossbreed the founders, and what you'll see is that the entire process happens while keeping the strategy completely private. So it's a round trip of requesting the original strategy, decrypting it locally, and then recombining it on the front end, encrypting it, and sending it back to 0G storage, and then registering the hash with the Mendel contract. So great, let's just skip ahead. So here's the new generation. These are all tokenized on 0G chain. You can see the backtest and you can see the 3 did well. I'm going to deploy 3, 7 and 6 live to show you some variety. So how this works is the signal proposes the trade and the LLM finally decides to act or not. The LLM has access to various other market data like funding rate, fear and greed, and so on. All these logs are stored on 0G storage. Okay, so we see our first transactions. Here's a different time of the day when the 0G compute LLM was rejecting proposed trades. Click Learn More to explore why genetic algorithms and ML are complementary axes of intelligence. So the crossbreeding on the deployed agents auto continues and you can rest well at night.